Using a professional and well-designed paycheck stub shows that you're dedicated to quality and providing your employees with all the information they need. Does your current paycheck stub do that? If not, you should probably look for something else. Luckily, there are plenty of free paycheck stub templates for you to follow, so keep watching to learn how you can use them. The basic pay stub. If you'd like a pretty basic pay stub, go with something like this. Include information on the pay period. Make sure all hours worked within the pay period are shown. Gross and net earnings should be shown as well. All required federal and state taxes should be included and shown as deductions. Tax-free and taxable deductions should be shown on separate lines. If you'd like to, you can include information regarding time off. This will remind the employee how much time they have available, and it's also required in certain states, so look into your local laws. The spreadsheet pay stub. You don't have to use a fancy template when giving pay stubs to your employees. You could use something as simple as a form created in a spreadsheet program. Include field headings for all important information, then fill in the information required. Spread headings out horizontally so you won't have to use a bunch of lines going down the page. This type of pay stub can take up much less space than a traditional pay stub with several different areas for information. The spreadsheet format keeps it all neat and orderly, but also compact. This is a great option for anyone who's printing their pay stub since it uses less ink than some other templates. The document pay stub. Perhaps even simpler is the pay stub created using word processing software. This offers a nice, clean-cut pay stub where everything is easy to find and read. Include your company name and contact information at the top. Under that, include employee and invoice number information. Then insert a simple table outlining what was paid and hours worked. At the bottom, add a total amount and leave a place for notes. Irregular hours pay stub. If your employees work random hours, you may choose to use a pay stub that shows a summary of the hours they've worked. This would include fields for dates and when hours were worked and how much. This is also a good option for employees who manually track their time instead of a clock-in using a predetermined system. With these fields, you'd also include other important information, such as your contact information, the pay period dates, gross pay, net pay, etc. The electronic pay stub. If your pay stub will be made electronically, you don't necessarily have to worry about fancy tables. Instead, provide instructions on how your employees can access their pay stub information. Include everything they'll need to get to the right site, log in, and access their pay stubs. Once they log in, they can see all the required information. If you do need or want to provide a printable version, you'll need to have a pay stub that looks good when printed. Do you want a pay stub that's tailored to your specific needs? Visit thepaystub.com and create your own today with our pay stub generator. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.